Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use pre-built templates in Filmora video editing software. Let me open this software. This one. You can use it on Windows as well as Mac operating system. Click on new project and then start adding media files. So let me select one of the file from here, drag it at the bottom and now here I want to remove this one. Let me use split feature. So now at the end I want to use a pre-built template. Here you can see this one template. For example, let me use this one, first one, drag it here. Here we can add once video is complete. We can also keep it at the top. Now let's check how it works. So that works amazing. In this way you can easily add pre-built templates to your videos.